What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. Before we get started with everything today, I've got a couple of packages I want to open from different subscribers and everything, and I don't know what's in them, but we're going to see, and they said it's really going to help the channel out, so I'm going to open these real quick, and then we'll get into today's episode. Now, I want to say these packages, both of them, are from my buddy Cisco. He said he was going to send out some stuff. He said that's really going to help out the channel and wants me to go to town and everything else. So I've cut them open as far as the tops go, but I haven't actually opened them. So let's see what's in these packages. Let's see what you sent me, Cisco. All right, this is Walmart. So, oh man, guys, I think I got enough popsicle sticks for infinity. All right, so popsicle sticks. Colored craft sticks. Man, I'll be able to mix everything. Wow. All right. Well, thanks, Cisco, for all the craft sticks, man. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. So, yeah, we got enough paint sticks now. And apparently you helped fund a classroom. All right, so let's open this one right here and see what's in this. What the heck? Cisco, man, really? Wow, guys. Let me see. This is a scale to measure everything out. I mean, some of you guys have been telling me about this forever. Y'all wanted me to use a scale. That way we can see everything in real time. So now we got a scale, apparently. Let's see what this is. Some Baltic chameleon pearls. I don't know if you guys remember, a lot of people are confused a lot of times thinking that, you know, I started out doing eye candy pearls on this channel with my spray outs, but I actually started using the cheap pearls off of Amazon and Temu. So I've already actually used some of these, but they're going to come in handy. Definitely, definitely. So thanks, Cisco, for those, man. 2 boxes of them. Wow. All right, let's keep going. A sample kit of eye candy ghost pearls. A lot of you guys have been asking for more ghost pearls. Go give Cisco a thank you, because he just sent out a whole nother set of them. So we are good on ghost pearls. All right, let's see. Neon pearls from eye candy, guys. These are going to come in handy too. A lot of you guys have been asking for these. So now we got some neon pearls from eye candy. A sticker. More Sea pearls. Hang on, I haven't seen this box before. Oh, these are the glitter. Oh, wow, look at that. That's a blue glitter pearl. So we're going to definitely be using that soon. A gold holographic glitter pearl. Cisco, man, you are killing it with all the stuff you sent, man. I can't believe. Ooh, a red one, guys. I think you, yeah. I know you guys are definitely going to like that one. What else have we got in here, man? Dude, more pearls. Green to blue. Like little kits. I've never seen these little kits before, Cisco. Wow, man. Dang, you really sent out a bunch of stuff, bro. Wow. Okay, this is a color chart. I mean, I think you ordered all of Eye Candy's website, man. This is crazy. Okay, so this is batteries for the scale, so I'm going to put those right there. I don't want to lose them. And just when you thought we didn't have enough chameleon pearls and stuff, dude, Cisco, man. Bro, you have flat out hooked me up. All right, Saturn yellow, guys. That's another pearl. Electric blue, another pearl. And these are big ones. Firebird red. Dang, man, you really went all out. A Fuji Sun 25 gram. That is cool, man. Indo green. Another eye candy pearl. Cisco, man, this is way too much, man. I hope you didn't spend, well, I know what you spent, but it's Tobacco. Hey, somebody liked it. That's really cool. Man, Cisco, definitely, man. I keep saying your name. It's probably annoying, but this is crazy, man. I really appreciate this. This is going to help us out on the channel a lot to keep doing spray outs for you guys and everything else, because, you know, I don't make a lot off all this stuff. You know, I come out of pocket, especially on the clear coat and stuff like that. Akai bronze. It's just, you know, I really appreciate this, bro. Really. It's a blessing. So, definitely. All right, now there's one more thing I noticed in this box, and I mean, I can't believe he went out and bought one. This is the Allrita paint gun. The one we've been using on the channel, guys, the MP500. He sent me another one. This model actually might be a little bit different than the model I have. I don't know until I open it, but actually it might be. I think the one I got is a 1.3, guys. But yeah, Cisco, man, this is crazy, man. Like I said, I really appreciate this, guys. When some of you guys do crazy stuff like this, and I mean, I know money's tight. I personally deal with it myself, and when you guys come out of pocket for stuff like this to support the channel, I mean, it means a lot, truly. So, thank you, Cisco. I'm gonna kind of do some quick footage panning over all this stuff, and just kind of take it all in for a minute. And yeah, then we'll move on into the rest of the video. But shout out again, thanks, Cisco. So now that Cisco has provided us so graciously with all this stuff, I decided it was probably only fair to do a spray out completely dedicated to him, and using all the stuff he sent to create something really, really cool. So I got a test fender prepped up behind me, guys. I'm using my Allrita gun because I already have it set up, but he sent me the exact same gun. So what I might do, if he's okay with it, is I might do a giveaway eventually with the gun. Either that, or I might just keep it and use it for other projects. It's really up to him. I don't want to make him mad. He sent all this stuff out, and I really appreciate it. But I love giving back to you guys. It's just part of it. So what I've done is I've decanted 2 spray cans here today, guys. Flat Black and Midnight Blue Satin by Rustoleum. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour them into this container right here, and these are both about halfway used spray cans. So I want to see how many ounces we get. That's why I got the scale right here. And also, we're going to add some Fuji Sun eye candy pigment into the mix because Cisco was nice enough to send it out. So I think that'll be fun too. And I'm actually going to add this into the actual paint and see what it does, opposed to always shooting it over top of the paint, because we've done that a million times. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the paint into the containers, and we'll put it on the scale, and we'll get to mixing everything up and see what we can do. So I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Well, the birds are chirping, so that's always a good sign. All right, I'm going to put the cup on here first, and let's turn this thing on. Very cool scale, and as you can see, it's zeroed out. I got it in grams right now, so that should be fine. Let's see, units, we got ounces. Let's see if we can zero it out. All right, ounces. Let's try ounces, guys. All right, so this is Flat Black, and as you can see, I've already put a hole in it. So I'm going to pour it in. It'll be real easy with it because I don't want it to splash all the way around and all over the place. So let's see how many ounces we get out of this can. All right, so we got 1.55 ounces out of that can. All right, and like I said, these were not full cans, guys, so don't go too crazy. All right, so 1.55, and let's do the Midnight Blue and see what we get. And I'm doing this because these were 2 used cans, so I wanted to have enough to do a spray out, but I figured you mix Midnight Blue with black, and I mean, you'll still get something really cool. All right, so out of that, and we're at 3.14, so 3.14 ounces total. All right, so now let's have some fun, and let's add a little bit of eye candy into it. So 3.21 ounces, that's where we're at, guys. So keep that in mind. And now I'm just going to spritz a little bit of this Fuji Sun into it. There you go, Fuji Sun. All right, so let's just spritz a little bit in there. I added just over 1 gram, so if I had to guess, I'd probably about 2 grams of pearls into this 3.21 ounces of total product. So use with that what you will, but really cool. Cisco, thanks for sending out. Let me get the scale out of the way, and we'll mix this up real good. I'll show it to you, and then we'll load up the paint gun and get the spraying. All right, guys, so this is our mix, and I'm gonna get to mixing this up really good, and let's see where this gets us. This is going to be interesting, guys. I mean, it's kind of just flat looking. I guess that's because of the satin paint and the way it is. So I guess there's only really one way to figure this whole situation out. Let's set up the paint gun. I'll mix this up really good, and then we'll get the spraying. Alright guys, now thanks to Cisco's scale, we know that I put 1.5 ounces of the Midnight Blue satin and 1.5 ounces, give or take, just around, so pretty much half and half of the flat black. And then we added about 2 grams in of that Fuji Sun Eye Candy Pearl. So this is going to be a custom mix. I'm going to do light consistent coats till we get full coverage. I am using the Arita type gun that he sent. It's a 1.3 tip. I typically shoot at 28 PSI. And that's wide open trigger if you want to replicate my settings. I'm going to put my paint mask on and let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so this is the color we've come up with. A very interesting color so far. After 2 coats I got pretty good coverage, and I'm curious, what would this do with some clear coat? Let's find out. As always guys, I'll be using this Finish One FC720 clear with the slow activator today, or slow hardener, and we'll mix a little bit of this up. It's a 4-to-1 mix clear. I'm going to mix about 5 ounces total. We'll put it in the paint gun, our little Arita gun over here. And yeah, we'll get to putting some clear on that panel. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so on today's spray out we did a 50-50 blend of Midnight Blue and Flat Black Rustoleum, and then added 2 grams of Fuji Sun Pearl into it. And we got this really cool blue-green effect. And even purple at certain angles. You see the hard angles? get down there and you see that pinks to purple. So, and you know, putting it in the paint obviously gives you a better layout overall, but what do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. We took Fuji Sun Eye Candy Pearl, a really cool Colorshift pearl, and threw 2 grams of it into a 50-50 mix, 3 ounces of midnight blue satin Rustoleum and flat black Rustoleum that we removed from a can and threw it into a cup. So we mixed it all together and created this crazy color. A really cool blue to green to purple shifting base coat, and then we topped it off and glossed it out with some Finish One clear coat to really make it look nice. So overall, guys, I think it looks really, really cool. It pops out in the light. It's subtle in the shade. A very mature spray out, but what do you guys think? Rate it 1 through 5, 1 through 10 in the comments. Definitely, if you made it this far in the video and you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. And like I said, drop me a quick like and comment. Let me know what you thought of today's spray out, what you think of the stuff that Cisco sent me. Shout out to you, Cisco, man. That was really, really cool, and I greatly appreciate it, man. So definitely go give him a thumbs up in the comments and everything. Comment, thanks, Cisco, for him sending out all this stuff so we can do many more crazy spray outs moving forward. And I mean, you saw the stuff he sent, so we're going to be going crazy on this channel. But as always, guys, if you want to spray with the Fuji Sun pigment by Eye Candy, I am an affiliate, so I can get you a discount on it. Links in the description. Just click my link to it, and then at checkout, enter WAW shop. While shop, you'll get a discount. It goes to help out the channel. It's a win-win for both of us. The Finish One clear, the paint gun, the mask. Anything else you see me use on the channel is always in my Amazon store. Click the link that says As Seen on YouTube. It'll take you there, and you can pick up everything for the same price I get it. Won't cost you nothing extra, and you get the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. I really, really appreciate you guys for watching this video today. I really appreciate Cisco for sending this stuff out. And yeah, man, that's really going to be it for me. Thank you for watching. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.